Hello folks, Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Dallas Paint Coatings. Scott, where have you been? Folks, it's been 2.5 years since I've been on YouTube, and I got something I want to talk about. I got lots of things I want to talk about. But what I'm going to talk about today, actually I may not say much. I have a black car sitting in direct sunlight. It's my piece of crap daily driver. I did a very light polish and just prepped this side of the car. Yes, there's still defects all over it. I just did the light polish to get the paint sealant off it. So we're virgin clean. We did a paint prep, we're ready to go. I'm actually gonna coat this car in direct sunlight with something we've been working on for about 2 years. This is a no-no if you're using a traditional coating. It is about 80 degrees right now. I'm a little sweaty. It's about 50% humidity. This paint that's toasty warm. That paint is toasty warm. That's right about where I want it. It's been sitting here for about 2 hours now, kind of baking in the sun. I'm gonna coat it. You're gonna watch me do it. And if this was a traditional coating, this could turn into a nightmare. This can turn into high spots, streaking, difficult buff-offs, really, really grabby. I once was a mobile detailer and had to work in the sun. I would never apply a ceramic coating to a black car in direct sunlight when the panel is warm and toasty to the touch. But here we go. Wish me luck. Last time we spoke, we were walking into a pandemic. We had a president that told us to use household cleaners injected into our bodies to kill a virus. Now we got a president who falls off bicycles and shakes hands with imaginary beings. I'm back, and I got a lot I want to talk about going forward. But today, let's have some fun. God, this paint is horrible. I drive it through a car wash all the time. Brushes hitting it. I don't give a crap. It's my daily driver. What do I care? It's a good little car, though. This is the first time I'm using this cloth and applicator, so I'm going to prime it up pretty good. Don't drop that. Now, I'm not doing this for a client, just doing it for myself, so we're not going to try to be perfect here, but I want to get all this juicy goodness all over the paint. It's already beginning to flash. It's rainbowing. That's a nightmare. This is insane. This paint is warm. Not trying to be perfect here, just want to get it on the paint. It's warm. It's nice. It's October. Holy Mary, Mother of God. That sucker's rainbowing over there so bright. I gotta buff that off. All right, Scott. How long did that take me? 3 minutes? 4 minutes? Missed a couple spots. It's all right. Let's let this ceramic coating damage this paint. Let's let it bake in the sun, buff it off, and have the biggest nightmare on our hands. This coating uses a proprietary bonding agent, transfer solution, and a hardening agent within it. We've been working on it for 2 years so we can do something crazy stupid like that. Put it on black paint when it's warm and toasty and just let it sit in the sun. In some spots, when I was applying it to the rear passenger door here, my applicator pad started smoking. That's insane. That's insane. Let's hope, since we've approved this coating going forward, let's hope we're right. Let's hope we can do this, and I don't have to sit here tonight and polish this all off and fighting it. How you guys been? 2.5 years since I've been on YouTube. Did I miss it? Sure. But I've been really busy. I've been selling thousands of coatings a month all over the country, handling customer service, shipping all over the place. I don't even know what today is. What is today? Wednesday, Thursday? It could be Friday for all I know. Who knows? Somebody's got to tell me. They got to point at a calendar and say, Scott, today's Wednesday. But I think today's Thursday. All right, that paint up there is hot. That's hot too. That's hot too. My windows are dirty. Don't worry about the windows. The only person looking through them is me. Tires I just cleaned with soap. They still look nasty. How does a professional detailer drive around like this? Well, I don't give a crap. It's my daily driver. And usually twice a week it gets thrown through a tunnel wash. Brush is banging the crap out of it. All I wanted is clean. And now I'm going to have a ceramic coating on this side of the car. Maybe on there indefinitely, forever, because I'll never be able to buff off that coating. I'll have nothing but high spots and streaks and be polishing away tonight. Oh, I need some towels. Hold on. All right, so where are we? It's been 3 minutes since I looked at the camera before because it said we were at the 7-minute mark. Just for giggles, let me see what we got. Folks, we're gonna leave it longer. We've done it. This coating is very hydrophobic. It's rated up to 3 years. And it is slick. It is a very, very slick coating. The proprietary transfer solution, bonding agent, hardening agent within the coating is meant to stay wet longer and not compromise what the coating needs to do, and that's allow the ceramic portion of the coating to bond to the paint. Let's go another couple more minutes. Comment down below if you missed me. Or if you didn't miss me, you can comment too. Say, Scott, please stay off YouTube. I don't blame you if you feel that way. Where are we? Now we're at 12 minutes. That was another 2 minutes since I looked last. Let's go. That is slick to the touch. And it's still a little too early to buff off. Let's let it bake. That top surface is hot. You think I'd never coated a car before? Look at the spot I missed on the fender, but that really wasn't the point of this video. I want to get that juicy goodness on there and just let it bake in the sun. I've been mobile detailing for a long time. Putting a ceramic coating on somebody's car in the driveway, outside a garage. You got to show up at 6 o'clock in the morning before the sun gets too intense. You want to coat the car as quick as you can. Not anymore. Not anymore. Small company like DPC has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to get something that solves a problem. And I'm damn proud of it. This paint, slicker than a baby's backside with baby oil. Let me get a chair, I'm getting old. I'm getting tired. Woo! I just keep buffing because it feels so good on the paint. I'm sweating. I'm dripping sweat. Who needs a scan grip when you got direct sunlight to see if you've got any high spots? I don't see any. Absolutely fantastic.